to need some cleaning up here across the state here. The smoke still a problem for most of the state, not for St. George. We've been showcasing what it could be like when we don't have the smoke in place, where in St. George right now, even though it's hot, triple-digit temperatures, it has been clearing out. We've been seeing more of a westerly, southwesterly flow through that region, pushing the smoke further northward, which means air quality decreasing here along the Wasatch Front as that smoke thickening up due to what's coming in from southern Utah. It was bad this morning in the Dixie area, but not the case right now. Temperatures right now, though, along the Wasatch Front, quite a bit warmer than yesterday, above average. We're in the upper 90s. Now, we're getting ready for our next cool front. It's lining up in its position, kind of on our doorstep. It gets here through the evening hours overnight. And the thing with this cool front is going to be sweeping through northern, central Utah, not making it towards southern Utah as much as we did see from the previous one, which means the smoke won't be spreading across the state, as it will track in some smoke, but not as much. You have this low pressure system a little further north, so that circulating smoke that we saw from Friday is just not going to have as much of an impact there, or will not be funneling in as thick as we saw Friday into Saturday. So air quality forecast looks like this. It's bad right now, still unhealthy. We're not in the purple, we're in the red here throughout most of northern Utah into central Utah. Tomorrow we go from red to orange. It probably takes into the afternoon before we see that transition. And then fingers crossed, Monday into Tuesday, hopefully we see more locations in that yellow situation, moderate concern level. We're not getting rid of the smoke. The smoke will be in place. We're just thinning it out, spreading it further northward. But again, we would need kind of a bigger storm, stronger winds, maybe some precipitation, and really get the flow in a different direction, not out of the west or northwest, which again is tapping into that smoke with the wildfires burning throughout Northern California through Oregon. So let's take a look at your hour-by-hour forecast to start the morning on Monday. Yeah, looking at early morning, but getting into 6 to 7 a.m. It will be smoky once again. Temperatures in the 60s, and we'll be hanging on to the smoke, but hopefully beginning to see a little bit of improvement for northern Utah late afternoon on Monday. And with this cool front coming in, it once again drops temperatures below normal back into the 80s along the Wasatch Front. 84 expected high in Logan, 100 in Moab. Now, you'll see that I have some smoke with the icons in southern Utah. It will be thinning out, kind of like what we're seeing in St. George. You see the blue sky, but again, it's just not completely gone. Northern Utah, it's a different story. It is impacting with that unhealthy air, and visibility will be somewhat reduced. Now, for St. George, it's 101. Less of a concern with the smoke on Tuesday. And we don't see much smoke moving ahead. We'll keep temperatures in the low 100s throughout most of the week. Northern Utah hanging on the smoke tomorrow, also on Tuesday. But again, noticing those improvements and then seeing that smoke really thin out Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Temperatures do climb, though. Upper 90s will keep it there, and we're going to keep it dry here for the next 7 days.